Hey guys, I'm in the middle of setting up my teacher lesson plan book, and I want to show you how I use the Happy Planner Undated Planner and how I turn it into a functional, very functional for me, lesson plan book, and it totally works. And I have a bunch of these because about 2 years ago, I did find them, or maybe last year, I did find them on clearance at Michael's for under $4. So I sort of bought them out. I'm good to go for a few years. But anyway, let me show you what I do, and I hope this helps you. Here's what I did in order to customize this to fit my needs. So as you can see, I did remove a lot of pages, so the rings actually appear bigger. But as soon as school starts, I have a lot of stuff going in here that I punch and get right in there. So I'm lefty, so I want my pen holder to be on the left side. I know we are only 10% of the population, but we matter. We need to be comfortable too. Because if you've noticed, like a lot of stuff is designed for right-handed people, and as a left-handed person, that's annoying. Okay, so this is, of course, I've added my name in there. And I do have these lists, these check-off lists, because I am a list person. But I find lately I don't even use them as much anymore. And these were from several years back, and I know they don't coordinate. But you know me, if it's functional, I'm using it. So my school year is divided into 4 quarters, and I actually teach 4 quarters of different students. So I've left in 4 of the original dividers, and I wrote on there with a Sharpie marker, quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I left an extra tab in the back just for things that I need to refer to, like just miscellaneous things, you know, like who knows, whatever, you know what I mean. We're all filled with all those things as soon as we start working. Or going back to school. So here's the first thing I do. I find that I don't really use the month layout. Maybe one day I will, but so far I never do. So when you open this up, my school period or my school day has 9 periods, and I just need 6. The way my brain works, I need at least 6 laid out. That's it. The rest, like I know when it's a prep period or I'm free, etc. So I've drawn in just with a thin black marker. I've drawn in my lines to create and give me 6 boxes. And then because this was an undated planner that I guess is meant for whatever, there was Saturday and Sunday. So finally, I have found a use for washi tape, because I am not a sticker lover. I don't care about like really making things look pretty. So I finally used this washi tape that came with a set, and I covered my Saturday and Sunday. And I, again, happened to have a book of stickers, and I did to-dos. So this is why I tend not to use these much anymore, because during my week here, I just start creating bullets, like whatever I need to do. I don't know, attendance, let's just say. I make a little bullet, I write it in, and when it's done, I check it off. I just find it's much more convenient to have it laid out for the week. Like these are my weekly tasks. So that's what I've done. Of course, here I need to continue. And I'm going to continue drawing in all my lines, and then I'll show you what I do next in order to label each box. Once I've drawn in all of my lines, and I did realize I went past here, what you're supposed to do, or what I typically do, is I stop right here, and then this is a column, but I went over. I've learned not to look for perfection with these things because things change. So I'll ignore that. Anyway, what I do now is I bought these stampers, and I'll link it below, and I had them customized because this company customizes and creates whatever stamp you want. And what I did is, after looking at my schedule, is I stamped in where which periods I'm teaching. So as you can see here, actually I'll show you here. So I have first period, so in the first box, and I literally had them create my stamp like this with 2 boxes on the side. I put in 1 for period 1, and then the topic I'll be teaching, which is nutrition. So you can, of course, customize and create these stamps so that once you draw in your lines, you're not writing like forever just to fill in your planner. You could just quickly stamp. And also here, I'm not teaching, but I do have a duty that period. So I use this little stamp just to fill in 2 for period 2. And then it goes on, period 5, 6, and so on. And I do love the stamps. I also have these here, which I'm planning to just give my little month up there of whatever month we're in. Even though I know what month we're in, it's just nice to have there. And that's about it. This is a little bookmark that just tells me quickly where I am so I can just open it up. And that's what I do. I mean, it may seem like it's a lot of work, but I don't think it is, because honestly, it's just easy. It's easy, and for under $4, I think I totally scored, and I make such great use out of this planner. I hope this helped you, and if you have an undated planner, this is such a good idea. Thanks for watching.